Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu.
Morning. Guys, asenzeni WWE SmackDown. Uzongicika Muntusa. Okay, I don't see why they had to why there was an altercation, number one, between Umacele noMayeni, right? Because even if angimkhulumela uMayeni, guys, you all know ukuthi I feel like girl is low-key disrespectful, right? But I don't see anything wrong with the statement yokuthi why uvuma uMacele makathi akahambi, but ke makhuluma mina uba nenkinga. Ngithi ke ngwanyana Macele hayi she mna tletse psinya ngwanyana ko nne ke bona hore pila Macele o tlo tshwara Mayeni ka di-washing. And guys, I don't know, maybe I've missed other things, ne? But for me it was the first time uMacele noMayeni baba in this it's for the first time baba ne altercation where it looks like they're going to bless each other with their hands. But ke the sad part ukuthi yonke lento iyenza ukuthi akekho ofuna ukuhamba ku family vacation. No snake uthi andiyi. And the reason why the altercation happened is because Umacele wanted to ask production ukuthi, can I not speak with Usine off record so that Usine can escort my kids to this family vacation, because it's a self-catering family vacation. Le-self-catering nje ngathi nayo imosha izinto. But the WWE SmackDown between uMacele noMayeni, yo mina Shem, I don't want to lie, I am toxic. I want to see them babutsabutsana, and ngisho ukuthi ekubutsabutsane mabathi bayatshelana nje izindaba, uMayeni uzowina asibheje